You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
The trial over the death of former Los Angeles Angels pitcher Tyler Skaggs officially got underway this week in Santa Ana, California, as a jury was selected to hear the wrongful death lawsuit filed by Skaggs' widow, Carly, and his parents, Debbie Hetman and Daryl Skaggs. The case centers on allegations that the Angels organization bears responsibility for the 27-year-old pitcher's fatal drug overdose during a team road trip in Texas in 2019. On Monday, a panel of 12 jurors was sworn in, 6 men and 6 women, along with 4 alternate jurors who could step in if needed during the expected 2-month trial. Jurors were questioned on a range of topics, including substance abuse, mental health issues such as bipolar disorder, workplace responsibility, and even their thoughts on Angels fandom. One lighthearted moment occurred when a prospective juror admitted to being an Angels fan, mostly losing, prompting laughs in the courtroom. Another juror had to be excused after becoming emotional during questioning. The lawsuit alleges that Skaggs was supplied with narcotics, including fentanyl-laced oxycodone, by Eric Kay, the Angels' then communications director, who was later convicted of federal drug charges and sentenced to 22 years in prison. Skaggs' family contends that the team knew, or should have known, that Kay was providing drugs not only to Tyler, but to at least 6 other players, and that the team's negligence in supervising him contributed to Skaggs' death. The plaintiffs are seeking damages, though the amount has not been disclosed. Attorneys for the Angels maintain that Kay's actions were outside the scope of his employment, and that the team was not negligent in its oversight. They also argue that Skaggs' own substance use played a role in his death, highlighting that he had consumed alcohol and painkillers in ways inconsistent with medical guidance. During the trial, the defense is expected to present arguments suggesting that there were multiple factors contributing to Skaggs' overdoses, though the judge has limited the scope of evidence to what was addressed in Kay's criminal trial. The civil case carries significant attention, as it revisits a tragedy that shook the baseball world and underscores the ongoing challenges of opioid abuse in professional sports. Skaggs had been a key part of the Angels, starting rotation since 2016, returning from Tommy John surgery, and his untimely death highlighted the risks associated with pain management and player health. The trial may feature testimony from high-profile players, including Mike Trout and former teammate Wade Miley, who has been implicated in depositions but faces no criminal charges. Skaggs' overdoses, caused by a toxic mix of alcohol, fentanyl, and oxycodone, led Major League Baseball to strengthen opioid testing and treatment protocols in the aftermath. The civil trial now seeks to determine whether the Angels organization should bear responsibility for the preventable death of a young athlete whose life and career were cut tragically short. Stay subscribed for more videos.